today I'll be showing you how to make mozzarella onion rings, so let's get started with the video. Begin by peeling and cutting 2 yellow onions. When you finish cutting your onions, separate the rings. Next, slice mozzarella into even strips. Next, place a small onion ring in the center of a large onion ring. Then fill the gap in between the 2 rings with strips of mozzarella cheese. Repeat this process with the rest of your onions. Then place your onion rings in the freezer for an hour. Next, in a bowl, add 4 eggs. Then beat your eggs until smooth. When you're finished, set your eggs to the side. In another bowl, add breadcrumbs. Then season your breadcrumbs with seasoned salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix your seasonings and breadcrumbs together until well combined. Then set it to the side. Now in one last bowl, add 1 cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix everything together until well combined, and then set your flour to the side. If you want to make hot Cheeto mozzarella onion rings, then all you have to do is crush up some hot Cheetos in a food processor or a blender. And then place them into a baking pan. So instead of using breadcrumbs, you can use hot Cheetos to coat your onion rings. I decided to make both hot Cheeto and regular mozzarella onion rings. After an hour has passed, take your onion rings out of the freezer and begin coating them. First, coat your onion rings in flour, then in the eggs, after that in your breadcrumbs, and then coat your onion ring one more time in the eggs, and one last time in the breadcrumbs. Repeat this process until you've coated all of your onion rings. When you finish coating your onion rings, you can begin frying them. In a pot or deep fryer, heat vegetable oil up to 350 degrees. Then fry your onion rings for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. When your onion rings have finished cooking, take them out and place them on a wire rack. Make sure to fry your onion rings in batches of 3 to 4 so you don't overcrowd your pot or deep fryer. Once you finish frying all of your onion rings, you can go ahead and enjoy. And this is the finished result. These mozzarella onion rings came out great. Oh, and don't forget to serve them with a side of marinara sauce. This recipe is simple and easy to make. If you like mozzarella sticks and you like onion rings, I think this would be perfect for you. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! This is how the hot Cheeto mozzarella onion rings came out.